Welcome students once again to the accounting session. We were solving the model question paper 2. So in that we have solved problems up to 21. Now we will see problem number 22. So Ramesh, Prakash and Suresh were partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2 on 31st March 2020. Their balance sheet was as under. So this is the balance sheet. Ramesh died here on 30th September. So after 30 September means April, May, June, July, August, September. He has survived for how many months? 6 months. So here they have given few adjustments. So we are supposed to solve this problem for 6 marks. So let's put the working note first. Working note. Goodwill will be valued at 2.5 years purchase of average profits of the previous 4 years which are given here. So let's calculate the goodwill first. Goodwill equal to average profit into years of purchase. So we will calculate the average profit now first. Average profit equal to total profit of given number of years divided by given number of years. Given number of years. So here the profits given are as follows. Total profit will be 12,000 plus 20,000 plus 13,000 plus 15,000 divided by 4. 12, 20 equal to 32,000, 32 plus 3, 35, 45, 60,000. 60,000 divided by 4 equal to 15,000 is the average profit. Goodwill has to be calculated at, the goodwill is valued at 2.5 years purchase. 2.5 years of purchase. So goodwill equal to average profit is 15,000, years of purchase is 2.5. That is equal to 37,500 is the goodwill. 37,500 is the goodwill, and Ramesh's share of goodwill is 5/10. Total goodwill equal to 37,500. Total of goodwill equal to 37,500. Ramesh share equal to 37,500 into 5/10. $18,750 is the share of Ramesh, which should be given by Prakash and Suresh in the ratio of 3:2. We will see that while we are preparing the executor account, because as per AS 26 we should debit that to the partner's capital account, concerned partner's capital account, and credit it to the executor account. Second is share in the profit from the date of last balance sheet till the date of debt to be calculated on basis of last year's profit. This is the first working note. Second working note is accrued profit. Accrued profit. Last year's profit should be considered. So 15,000 is last year's profit, previous year's profit. This profit will be considered as the profit for the whole year. So 15,000 for 1 year. For 6 months, how much? 6 divided by 12 equal to 7,500. So 7,500 is the total profit of the firm for 6 months. So now we are supposed to calculate the share of deceased partner, that is Ramesh, that is 5 by 10. So this will be 3,750. Ramesh share of accrued profit is 3,750. So interest on capital is the next thing. Interest on capital equal to Ramesh capital is 30,000. 30,000. Percentage given is 12%. 12%. That is 3,600 for whole year, and you are supposed to calculate for 6 months. 6 divided by 12 equal to 1,800. So all the working notes are cleared here. Now let's prepare the executive account of Ramesh. Ramesh executive account. So write down the working note. Particulars, amount, particulars, amount. By balance brought down. $30,000. By reserve, $3,000. $6,000 is the total amount, and half of that, that is 5 by 10, 3,000. Then by Prakash capital, and by Suresh capital. So goodwill amount should be given by Prakash and Suresh in the ratio of 3:2. The total goodwill was valued at 37,500, and Prakash share was 18,750 into 3 divided by 5. 11,250 should be given by Prakash. $7,500 should be given by Suresh. So next is share of accrued profit is already calculated here. The total accrued profit should be calculated on basis of last year profit, that is previous year profit. Previous year profit was 15,000, and 15,000 is considered as the profit for 1 year. Ramesh has deceased within 6 months. So for 6 months, how much? That is 7,500, and his share is 5 by 10. 7,500 is the total profit of all the 3 partners for 6 months. So we are supposed to calculate the share of Ramesh only. So 5 by 10 equal to 3,750. Interest on capital is 30,000 into 12%, 3,600. This is for 1 year. So we are supposed to calculate for 6 months. 6 divided by 12 equal to 1,800. So by accrued profit 18,750. Sorry, 3,750. And interest on capital, $1,800. To executor loan account. To executor loan account. $30,000 plus 3,000 plus 11,250 plus 7,500, 3,750, 1,800. 57,300 is transferred to executor's loan account. So this is not executor, Ramesh capital account. 57,300. So this is how you solve the problem based on death of a partner. Write down this. Next is 24th problem. From the following details, 23rd problem, a company issued 5,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each. The amount was payable as follows: application 20, allotment 40, on first and final call 40. All the shares were subscribed and amount paid duly received. 23rd problem. First, bank account. Bank account debit. How many shares are there? 5,000 shares, 20 rupees each. So 1 lakh in the application. To share application account. Being application money received. Being application money received. Now transfer this application money to the share capital. Share application account debit to share capital account. To share capital account. Being application money transferred or adjusted. Application money adjust. Next is allotment. Here first we will transfer and then we will receive the money. Share allotment account debit 40 rupees per share. So this will become 2 lakh. Share allotment account debit to share capital account. 2 lakh. Being allotment due. Being allotment due. Then when you receive the money, you will make the entry, that is bank account debit to share allotment account. ₹2 lakh. Being allotment money received. Being allotment money received. Then share first and final call. Share final call account debit ₹2 lakh, that is 40 rupees per share, to share capital account. Being final call due. Last, you will receive this money, bank account debit to share final call account. Being final call money received. So these are the journal entries that we pass for issue of shares at par. So write down the journal entries. First one is bank account debit to share application account debit to share capital account, share allotment account debit to share capital account, bank account debit to share allotment account, share final call account debit to share capital account, and bank account debit to share final call account. These are the 6 journal entries for 6 marks.